Everyone, this is Miss Kaufman here. I was going to go do this assignment with you guys. It's not really an assignment, it's a note taking. I highly suggest it because I don't think you guys will quite get it if you don't do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and switch to full screen here. It's going to take some time to pull up what I need. So it's right here in our day 2. Okay, and I have atoms and isotopes. I really recommend watching this first. I think that will give you a good flip. So going back to me real quick, I think um, I'm just kind of experimenting to see what will be happening via the beginning of the school year if we have to do this. We have been spending a lot of time as teachers trying to figure out what would be the best fit. And so right now, I apologize for adding new material for you guys, but it's also kind of a precursor of what I feel like will be happening at the beginning of the semester. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm taking myself off. So the one thing about Google Docs or Google Slides that I don't like is, and I hope that you guys have access to this. Please email me if you are, I'm going to go back here. Please email me if you get a weird message concerning this right here, that it's blocked. I think that it's okay if I share it with everybody. All right. Thank you guys. So please do that. So you should get something that looks like this. Now, part of my problem with Google Slides is I do not like how they have this. So this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. So you go here, you can click on this, and it actually is, if you present, I don't recommend presenting because I can't edit. So it takes you to those said slides. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, and then I'll be coming on to that at the very end. So I'm going to go right here, and the first one is atomic structure. This is just a preview of what we need to do right there. I'm going to pause it for a second. I just took off the presenter notes so that you guys could easily see that. Okay, so I have this. Move the pieces on the bottom to the correct places of the atomic structure for each particle. Describe the mass, charge, and location. So we have protons, neutrons, and electrons. So the first thing is I already moved protons originally. So it is right there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add your description. Actually, I'm going to make a copy of this, okay, so that it doesn't mess with what I have. You guys don't have to do that. So I had a copy so it's not going to mess with the one that we had beforehand. So a proton is positively charged. So just remember, just follow along. It has I decided not to. So I didn't cut and paste. The reason is I wanted to give you guys time. If you notice protons have a positive charge, neutrons there's nothing. Okay? So it's actually no charge. So there's a very, very, very famous joke of a bar or a neutron and a proton, a neutron, and an electron walk into the bar. A neutron, a proton, and an electron walk into the bar. Everybody orders a drink, and the bartender goes to the neutron. No charge for you, sir, because they are no charged. They have no charge. The one thing I wanted to copy and paste is that they have a mass of 1 AMU, and they also live in the nucleus. I call these guys Bert and Ernie's, protons and neutrons. They live together, they kind of act the same, but they do different things, okay? All right, now the last guy is, and these guys, as I said, I'm going to go ahead and move this up. Come on. This guy lives right there. Okay, so those are the protons and neutrons. And then the last guy is electrons. Electrons are very, very important. Electrons are very important. Electrons are very important. They are the reason that we are alive. So please understand that, but we are not going to be talking about electrons here right now. Okay? So I'm going to stop the video right here, and I am going to do the next slide on a separate video so you guys can understand that.